Pressing zones 31 are typically used in instances where our team has not yet scored any goals and there is very little time available to establish a defensive formation. 5 Kopuk coins are used specifically for defense, while 10 Kopuk coins represent attack. Essentially, the core strategy involves the central player patiently waiting until the attacking playmaker has successfully crossed beyond the halfway mark of the court. At that crucial moment, the central player then proceeds to aggressively challenge the playmaker, thereby provoking a deliberate pass either to the team's left or right side. In contrast, the players positioned within the 45 defense framework, on the other hand, choose to remain stationed adopt a defensive stance and patiently wait to receive a strategic pass from the attacking players positioned under 45. Here, only a single pass was successfully completed at 45. The player immediately transitions into a defensive position, making a swift run forward. However, he doesn't manage to fit into the designated space, and as a result, both of the opposing players effectively close him down, trapping him within a confined area or box. In other words, this particular player should have allowed the teammate to make the cut at this specific location. Additionally, this player should not have permitted the opponent to enter this area. Naturally, the defending team should also prevent access in this region. As soon as this player has moved into this position, another player should quickly run over to this spot and attempt to block or intercept the first pass from being made, especially in cases where the opposing player is too slow. A pass might be directed back to the player, spread out to create space, result in a free 3-point shot, or the ball could be effectively brought up the court and moved under the basket. In short, overall, the situation is very unfortunate. When we press defensively in this area, this particular player doesn't allow a direct pass here. This defensive player doesn't give the first pass to the opposing player, and since he is guarding 2 players, he manages with 2 passes, executing 1-2, 1-2 movements. He must either intercept and block all these crossing passes or expel them, and in general he is responsible for overseeing everything comprehensively.